accomplish, achieve, accumulate, build up, administer, manage, admit, confess, agree, consent, allow, permit, answer, reply, appear, seem, arrive, reach, ask, inquire, ask, request, assure, guarantee, beat, defeat, begin, start, begin, commence, behave, act, bring up, raise, broaden, widen, build, construct, buy, purchase, call, ring, categorize, classify, change, transform, chop, cut, cite, quote, clean, tidy, close, shut, collapse, fall, collect, gather, comfort, console, condemn, sentence, confine, restrict, conform, comply, confuse, mix up, connect, put through, consult, refer to, convey, communicate, cope, manage, copy, imitate, damage, destroy, deduce, infer, demonstrate, protest, denationalise, privatise, denote, represent, deprave, corrupt, dispatch, send, differentiate, distinguish, diminish, decrease, disappear, vanish, dismiss, deny, disclose, reveal, elevate, raise, emphasize, stress, encounter, come across, inquire, investigate, establish, set up, evaluate, assess, exit, leave, expire, run out, explode, blow up, fabricate, manufacture, find, discover, float, drift, foretell, predict, function, operate, get, receive, give, donate, give up, surrender, glitter, sparkle, grab, seize, grumble, groan, hand out, distribute, hazard, endanger, help, assist, hurry, rush, hurt, injure, ignore, disregard, ignore, snub, illuminate, light up, illustrate, demonstrate, imagine, suppose, imitate, mimic, impact, affect, infect, contaminate, inspect, examine, intend, mean, intensify, heighten, involve, entail, join, connect, learn, memorize, let, allow, listen, hear, leave, vacate, lose, misplace, magnify, exaggerate, make, build, maintain, preserve, migrate, emigrate, minimize, reduce, mirror, reflect, misconceive, misunderstand, narrate, recount, near, approach, nominate, appoint, notify, inform, operate, function, overhaul, overtake, overlook, miss, oversee, supervise, predict, foresee, pick, choose, ponder, think, provide, supply, pull, drag, put back, postpone, quake, tremble, quit, abandon, receive, obtain, regret, rue, rely, depend, renew, resume, renounce, give up, respond, reply, rest, relax, see, look, select, choose, send, post, snub, repulse, stay, remain, stop, cease, suggest, propose, survive, outlive, symbolize, represent, talk, speak, think, contemplate, transform, convert, understand, comprehend, use, utilize, vacuum, hoover, vanquish, conquer, vary, differ, visualize, imagine, withstand, resist, watch, look, yell, shout.